Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video I will teach you how to blur a video in Canva. So first of all, we go to video, select the landscape or any of the orientations that you want or the formats. Then from here on we can type a video, let's say driving or a man walking, let's say. So here, for example, we have a video here. So how do we blur video? For example, we want to blur the face of the girl here for some privacy sometimes, okay? So what we're gonna do is we go to elements and search blur. Once you search up blur, we can press blur, but we can move it here and we can just easily blur the face here. Then we can easily check the transparency of the blur. Yep, we can blur the faces here, or there are other types of blurs, so we can just maybe use this and blur their faces, right, for privacy. Or if you don't want to see their faces, we can use those kinds of blurs, or we can use this. Yeah, so that's how we blur a face or a video in Canva. So once again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like and subscribe, hit the bell button, and don't forget to watch our channel or visit our channel for future Canva tips and tricks to come. Once again, thank you.